Alright, I have another mechanical pencil. This one is by this company. I'm not gonna, it's a Swiss company. They're famous for their art materials, pencils, graphite, coloring pencils, paints, art materials in general, really. This is one of their pencils. It says here, Swiss made. If you can see that. Inside, you can see under the clip that there is here, I can get it there, there is a hole in the clip. You can see it now. And that is, there's a bump on the pencil itself. And you can see there, it says the name of the company. It says the series. And it says there 0.7 millimeter. And let me see what that was at the front. I can see that. It's probably a model number. Let me get a good look at it. It is 844, it appears. I guess that's the model number, 844. I'll try to include that in the description. But yeah, it's that's not a mistake. I've looked at other images and that's just how they want it. It's for the art aesthetic of the pencil. Yeah, 844. But yeah, I don't like that. But it is what it is. I kind of wish it was like maybe right here, or even right here, but not directly under the clip. I'm guessing they're doing it for aesthetic reasons. I mean, it does look good without the marking, but it makes me want to move it to the opposite side, but it's made because of that hole, and there's a little bump on the actual pencil, the body of the pencil, that corresponds to that. So it definitely goes there, and it's just the way it is. All right, let's talk about lead sizes. It comes in varying sizes. I'm pretty sure it comes in a 9, 7, and a 5. This is a 7. It might not come in a 9. 9's not as common as a 5 and a 7. And 3 is less common, 0.3 millimeter. The material, I believe, is a kind of plastic. The balance, let's look at the balance. Oops, hopefully I didn't break the lead inside. There's the, as you can see, it's a little top heavy for whatever reason. That was cool. Sorry. Barrel type is hexagonal, as you can see by the reflection. Rattle, I don't feel a rattle. There's a slight rattle. I may have broken the lead. Let's find out. There's the eraser. It's longer than most, about double in size than a lot that I have seen. Oh, I did break some lead, unfortunately. I wonder, I would have only put one in there. Again, I wonder. Let's toss these to the side. I'm not going to use those half ones. I know it's a waste, but I don't know if it's this lead or not, but I remember putting a lead in there. Oh, and it doesn't say the actual millimeters, but I'm guessing that that last 7 on there denotes it being 7 millimeter, I'm guessing. It says 6707. Let me go ahead and take this one out. Thought for sure I had replaced it. I remember doing this. I don't know what the deal is. It's not the easiest one to open. I don't want them to go flying or breaking because of how it's designed. The hell. As you can see, some are already broken inside, so I'm just going to put those to the side, put these back. I have another container of these, I think. I ordered one for myself and one for when I saw this pencil on eBay. Let me go ahead and put this in here. So when I sell this on eBay, you'll get a full container of lead, and I'll just keep the leftovers. As you can see, the action is a little odd. It's not coming out. I wonder how long it's going to take for it to come out. I did put one in there, right? There it goes. Finally. Some debris on here. Close this back up. It's not the easiest thing to open. I don't know why they made it like that. But maybe I'm got it the wrong way around. Maybe. No. That made no difference. Yeah, maybe it did. Because that's really hard now. I wonder. I don't see any indentations on here. There's a mark on one side for it to be really tight. But, dang. There's a recycling symbol there. Alright, time to mark it up. I'm going to go ahead and clean the edge so that it is, not clean, but rub the edge of the graphite so it's a proper edge for writing. Alright, ABCs. One, two, three. Do some lines. Rotating the pencil as I go. Do some squigglies. Okay, do some lines that I'm going to erase now. Alright. I'm going to erase it now. The block, stick. I'm not going to count that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. This first one we're not going to count because I wasn't actually counting. The graphite came off pretty good, I think. It's a good example of HB, I think, personally. Trying to give you different angles because of the reflection from the light. Alright. I hope that was a good one for you, and thank you.